What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel for another hair video sponsored by To All My Black Girls. I'm going to show you guys today how I went from this fro situation to this sleeker style. And yes, I do have side shaves, so I'm going to be showing you how to lay those all down. Hope you enjoy. So I've had the Kinky Curls Drawstring Ponytail for a few months now. I've worn it quite a bit and it looks kind of dry. So what I'm about to do is just go ahead and shampoo and deep condition it just to spring it back to life.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love. Like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags. I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend. I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, just not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah. Do not live in twice. Yeah. My fam on my spine, yeah. Green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love. Like a love.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time. Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime. Like a lime.
After I air condition it with this argan oil spray, I basically just leave it to air dry. You don't want to really touch it too much because then it'll get frizzy, and you don't want frizz, you want more curls. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prep my own hair. I actually decided that I didn't really like how my damaged ends were looking, so after I stretch it out by blow drying it, I'm just going to go ahead and clip those off.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
Now this stuff right here is the bee's knees. I'm telling you guys, I have tried jams, gels, pomades, and you know what they all do? They all curl my hair back up. They all make my hair super, super wavy. So this Ebon Edge Control is what you're going to use instead. I love this stuff because it does not get all flaky. It doesn't clump together. Like, as long as you really just take your time and apply thin layers and brush it through, it holds your hair so well without causing it to curl and coil back up.
Stick to the plan, yeah. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am, yeah. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, yeah. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I got love within me, guess it's homegrown. Used to watch ET, now I just phone home. Called my mama, told her that I'm grown up. She said you got old and started showing up. She remember Treshawn as a youngin'. I don't flex for love, no, I don't stutter, no. Look, I do it for my sisters and my brothers. And I never been afraid to say I love you, yeah. Bump this in your speakers in the summertime. Tell yourself that everything gon' work out fine. Wake up the next day and get back on your grind. When they see you at the finish and they ask you how you did it, you just stick to the plan. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you...
Next, you're gonna need 2 scarves. The first one you're just gonna fold in a way that allows you to just lay it on the front of your hair and around your tapered sides. That is gonna be the focus to make sure all of the front lays down.
And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I...
Then the second scarf is going to be focused on the back, and you're going to tie that underneath your chin, and that's just to lay the back half of your hair down. So you got 2 scarves, 2 different ways to give you full coverage.
In the game, show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year round.
Then you're just going to use a blow dryer to save yourself some time. Now, if you have a hooded dryer attachment, it's going to make it go by way faster. If you don't want to use the dryer or any form of heat, you can always just sleep overnight and wait for it to dry. It took approximately 25 minutes for my hair to fully dry.
Around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
Next, I'm just going to use the combs that are attached to the ponytail and slip those in the front and in the back of my bun. And you kind of have to play around a little bit sometimes to get the proper placement, but once you do, you're just going to pull the drawstring nice and tight. And you're going to just wrap it around a few times. You'll take one of the pieces of hair, wrap that around a few times, and then hold it in place with a bobby pin.
Tryna spend the rest of my life with a day one, day one. I ain't tease. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 but the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather.
Next, I add just a little bit more of that conditioning argan oil spray, and then I kind of just use my hands very gently just to create a shape. Keep in mind, the more you play around with the hair, the more it's going to grow in volume.
Can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just trying to chill. I'm just trying to live with my day one.
I wanted the ponytail to come forward just a little bit more. I didn't quite like how it was originally sitting, so I just stuck another bobby pin in it just to hold it a little bit closer to the back of my head. And it's as simple as that, guys. I really love the ease of using this ponytail for quick styling. It looks really natural. I get a lot of compliments on it. A lot of people actually compliment me on how my hair has grown pretty quickly. And then when I tell them it's a drawstring ponytail, they're like, oh my gosh, it blends so well. I wouldn't have known the difference at all. So that's, of course, a nice touch as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Teami.